Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real?
Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So in today's video, I'm starting a journey with you. Yeah, I'm moving out. I'm not moving out actually. I'm looking for a place to stay. Hello, so we are starting afresh and today I'm going to show you the house that nimepata. I'm not going to show the options that I had, but just what I've gotten because yeah, let me just show you. So yeah, with options, kulikuwa na these options.
Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose.
So this is not what I selected, but the design is just similar.
I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it.
All the houses I'll be showcasing around the same building. That's why I've said I'm not going to show all the options that I got, but make sure to watch till the end to know the option that I went for. It's still a new house and I love how the washroom has been constructed. So I'll put my own shower. So let's look at the second one. Still not what I chose, but exact design.
On my own, see if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control.
So this is the washroom area with a toilet, but no shower head. Here, I will have to fix one.
Enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not come. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. In the shadows.
Now this is the final house and the option that I went for.
My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not.
So this is how the house looks like. Kitchen area.
The dust, I was born. To the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won.
So here is my kitchen area.
In the shadows,
And I love the lighting of the house.
my
On this corner, I'm going to put my mattress. I'm going to make it my bedroom area.
enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid.
And on this other end is going to be my sitting room area.
But I'm here to stay.
Then at the front, I have my washroom.
I was born to the dirt, I shall return when my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not.
So since I didn't record the house that I'll be moving into very clearly, I'm just going to use this second house as a demo.
I was born to the dirt, I shall return when my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they
So everything in this second house is exactly as
won, but I
how my house looks like.
am here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
So this is the sitting room area on this side.
I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling.
At the entrance, exactly on your right, is the kitchen.
See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose
Then on your left is the washroom.
to know. I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time. Let's be real. Be real. Be real. I do what I want.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscription button as you're headed to 2,000 subscribers.
Ooh, I do what I want.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out. Whenever you see me, don't be wasting my time. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time. Let's be real. Be real. Be real. I do what I want.